Wow. This is a square, green color, green color. This is a square, green color, nice color bending, so beautiful shape. This is triangle, green color, green color. This is triangle shape. Wow, so beautiful shape. This is red color, heart shape. This is red color, nice color painting, so beautiful shape. This is octagon. Wow, it's a big shape. Red color, red color. This is octagon shape. Nice color painting, kids. Yellow color. Yellow color. This is circle. This is circle. Yellow color. Yellow color. This is star. This is a star, yellow color shape, kids. Wow. Square, heart, circle, octagon, star, triangle. Green color, red color, red color, yellow color, yellow color. Kids, video like and subscribe, please. Thank you so much for watching. Tata bye. This is pentagon shape. This is a star shape. This is star shape. This is circle. This is circle. This is rectangle shape. Wow, so beautiful shape. Yes. This is oval shape. Let's learn traditional painting. Wow, so beautiful shape. This is red color, red color, red color. This is heart shape. Red color. Wow, so beautiful shape. Yes. This is star shape. This is a star shape. Red color, red color, so beautiful shape, kids. This is